Welcome masters on my on-job training, day 14 here at Davao City. For now I'm just cleaning this camshaft, rocker arm assembly and cylinder head of Kia K2.
Reviewan na siya. Sila medyo buhay. Pili na mo ang kaya na. Pili na mo. Dayon, tawag natin transmission dito sa Ilalong, guys. Asis kita karon asis. Guys, naramday experience na. Heavy man o light. Let's go! Baby, now it can't be more than today. I'll never break your heart. And I swear by the moon and the stars and the sun. Master, nag-down ko pilot bearing sa flywheel. Kaya siya. Ako na siyang gilisdan. Ano eh. Ako nang nataon. Wala na ako gibidyoan na ako bidyoan ko sa pagdaliraban. Nagkaroon naman yung flywheel. Punong naman yung kabolt. Gamit daw pneumatic. Pneumatic. Wala ito ba eh. So if you are a friend of mine, oh, tell her to send a little love my way. So, tawad ng glass assembly guys. Kulang na lang isa ka bolt. Sa star bolt niya is kulang pa eh. Isa. Lagi pangitaan pa na move tools. Iabi niya yung range. Para magutan na siya. So, clutch assembly. Change niya siya. Tapos, mga na ito nang i-align ang pagtawad sa transmission. Salat. Ano siya guys? Medyo dali. Medyo marasa. Neutral lang. Neutral.
We are now installing the manual transmission of K2, propeller, and other stuff to install that are connected to our transmission. Installing may take some time because it's so heavy and I don't much have strength to do this alone. So I need my companion to help me. So masters, be safe on the job.